YouTube Nanny. So today we're going to be cooking flapjacks, fruity nutty flapjacks. So don't forget, if you've got a nut allergy, take the nuts out, okay? We don't want any accidents at all as far as that's concerned. Right, let's have a little look at what we're going to be using today. Okay, so I've put out, see this set of knives? See them? I've put those out today to show you that you don't need to have really sharp knives when you're doing cutting. And that's a set of 3 that I got from Amazon. Okay, look at all these delicious ingredients that we've got. We've got some, I've just chopped up these almonds, and then we've got raisins, and then I've chopped up these, they're really juicy apricots, and then these are delicious. These are dates, really soft ones. So we've got a little bit of butter. We've got some peanut butter as well, and some syrup. We're going to mash up these really ripe bananas. We're going to pop them in as well. We've got a lovely pink lady apple that's going to go in, and we've got some oats. But the first thing we're going to do, can you tell me? What's the first thing we always do when we're doing cooking? We've got our apron on, you got it, let's wash our hands. Let's run that water. And if you want to sing happy birthday in English or French, or if you can sing happy birthday in a different language, let me know. You might be able to teach me. So we'll get right in there with our hands. Count to 20 if you want to. And then off we go. I washed my hands already today, but I'm going to do this for you. That's it. Shake them off. Good dry as well. The first thing we're going to be doing today is we're going to put the oven on 160 centigrade. Okay, and that's like gas mark 3, I think, or gas mark 4. Let's bring you over so you can see a little bit better. So we've done that, and the next thing we're going to do is, I've got this tin. I'm going to use this tin today. Quite a nice tin. It's not too shallow, it's got a bit of depth on it. And we're going to put some, well, I'm using flora, you can use butter if you want. I'm going to grease the tin. I've got a little scrunched up piece of kitchen parchment paper, greaseproof paper, whatever you want to call it, and you just literally spread that butter all around your tin. Once that's done, get a piece of greaseproof paper and pop it in. That's ready. That's all we have to do for that. Okay, let's put that aside. The next thing that we're going to be doing, we put that aside, we don't need that. So we're going to be using, let's put the butter in first. I've already weighed my ingredients out just for easiness. So that is 50 grams of flora I'm popping in. Let's put that over there. Then we're going to be having 2 tablespoons full of peanut butter. Where's that spoon? 2 not so big tablespoonfuls. 1. Oh, I do love the smell of peanut butter. 2. Put that lid back on. I'm going to use a clean spoon now, so I'm going to be having 2 tablespoonfuls of this delicious syrup. Just take that lid off. Are you ready? Let's do our counting together. Here it comes. There's 1. Whoa. Whoa. Let's get that all in there. And the second one. There we go. 2. Right, let's just catch that. We're not going to put it in our mouths, are we? No, we're not. We're being really good today. Let's put that aside. Okay, all we have to do is heat that up on the hob. Okay, while that's melting, what we're going to do next is we've got 2 ripe bananas. What we have to do is peel the bananas. Take all the skins off. There's one. Two. Put those aside. Then using our fork, because remember we did this before when we were making those bananas and chocolate chip muffins. We just mash them. That's it. Mash them up until they're all gooey and sticky. It's going to be so delicious. There we go. We'll just put those aside. See? See? They look lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right, we'll put those aside. The next thing we're going to do, I'm going to peel an apple. Has anyone peeled an apple before? I'm going to use one of these. It's a vegetable peeler, but you can also peel fruit with it. So holding the apple in your hand really firm. You might need a grown-up to help you with this. Just gently, firmly, run that side. See that side, it's got two blades on there. They're not incredibly sharp. If you can't manage it, ask your grown-up to come and help you. When you've done that, I'm going to use a knife. This is my special pink one. Then we press down. Oops, daisy, that jumped up. And down again. Always remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. There we go. We're taking all the pips out. And see that bit that surrounds the pips, the core? That's a really bit tough. It's not very good for eating. Okay, put those down. Okay, using your knife, you can use the pink one is the middle size, or you can use this orangey one. Very gently, can you see what I'm doing? I'm cutting down. And I'm making some nice little squares. Let me show you. Yeah, you've done that? Don't forget, if I'm going too fast, just give me a pause and come back to me when you're ready. Okay, let's have a look to see how our... Yeah, look at that, that's melted lovely. That is your butter, or in my case, Flora. And you've also got your syrup in there. Okay, and your peanut butter. Okay, that looks lovely, doesn't it? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to put that lovely mixture in this bowl. So you just tip everything in. There we are. Okay, that's that. Put all that in. And then we're going to put the apple goes in. There you go, apple. Banana. Give me that banana. That side. Okay, so we've got apple and banana. Then we have got, these are really lovely, juicy apricots. 85 grams of apricots. In you go, apricots. And then we've got 40 grams of chopped almonds. In you go, almonds. And then we've got 100 grams of raisins. In you go. And then we've got 40 grams of chopped dates. Come on, dates. Chopped dates. So this, oh, they're so sticky and yummy. They taste like toffee to me. There we go. Right, Got one more ingredient to go in, but before we do that, I'm just going to give this a good stir up. I'm going to bring it over so you can have a good look. There we go. I'll stir all that in. Okay, now that that's it, we're going to put the oats in. And what have we got? 250 grams of oats. In you go. You see all of those lovely ingredients in there. Look at that. Give it a really good stir. Right, the next thing to do is, let's push all those bits over here. Right, remember our tin? It's ready. Okay. All we have to do now is put all of this mixture in it. Bit. It's deliciousness. Now, put that aside. Now all we have to do is flatten it down. And just use that banana fork. And get it all nice and flat. Once we've got it all flat, we're going to pop it in the oven. There we go. So we're going to put it in the oven, 160 Celsius. It's going to be in there for 40 minutes. And then when you take it out of the oven, you just leave it to cool down, and then you can separate them. You can use a little knife and score into lovely little bite-sized shapes. Okay? And there they are. Look at that, lovely rich golden colour. So what we're going to do now is just leave them to cool down. So I'm just going to leave them here. We'll come back to those in a minute. Okay, look, I can feel it, touch it with my hands now. So I'm going to use this large butter knife, and I'm just going to go all the way around the edges. Okay. I want to very carefully turn that upside down. There we are, that came out. Then we take off this greaseproof paper. It's still a little bit warm underneath the greaseproof paper. Lovely and cool now. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to cut it up into lovely little bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to cut through the centre. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to cut through there and there. So I'll have 3 pieces on each one. So let's do that. Let's do that now. So we'll just cut here. 1, 2. And the same. Have it. Fruity flapjacks. Don't they look lovely? Yeah. Fruity flapjacks. Okay. If you pause, there's the ingredients now and how to do it. So if you pause, you can copy that down. If not, print it off. So, what have we got to do? Yes, you've got it. You've got to subscribe, like and share. I hope you enjoy your flapjacks. See you soon. Mwah! Love to you all. Bye for now.